Hop into the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado HD. This vehicle delivers the best of sporty styling and modern efficiency. Confidence comes standard thanks to driver-focused design, state-of-the-art safety features, and a premium feel. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, Wi-Fi hotspot, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes,